Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add phone number on Blizzard. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open a browser and type blizzard.com, and once you're here, click on account and click on login. And now enter here your email or phone number and your account password and click on login. After logging into your Blizzard account, you can click on your account and click on account settings, and click on account details. Scroll down and here you'll find this option, phone number. So all you have to do is just click on add phone number and enter here your phone number and check this option and click on continue, and enter here the verification code which one you will get to your phone number and click on submit. And as you can see, I've successfully added my phone number to my Blizzard account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.